Today, we talk about the reason why your child doesn't listen. Subscribe now and let's get into it. Hey you're tired of repeating yourself. You ask your child nicely, then firmly, then finally, you yell. And still, they don't listen. I hear this all the time from parents. So today, let's talk about one powerful, simple, and often overlooked step to help your child actually start listening. And it begins before the misbehavior even happens. Let's start with the truth. Children don't ignore you because they're bad. They ignore you because connection is missing. See, when a child feels unseen or unheard during the calm moments, they'll act out and will create chaotic ones just to get your attention. Something is better than nothing, even if it means to misbehave. Here's the hard part. If the only time your child gets your full attention is when they're misbehaving, they will keep misbehaving. So what's the first step to change that? Give time and attention when your child is behaving well. I know that sounds too simple, but when your child shares a toy, cleans up without a fuss, or plays quietly, that's your chance. Walk over, smile, make eye contact. Say, hey, I love how you're playing so nicely. Wow, you picked that up all by yourself. So those tiny moments, they really do build connection. They quietly tell your child, I see you. You matter. You don't have to act out to get my attention. As a mom and a preschool director, I've seen it again and again. When we catch the good, the bad starts to fade. Honestly, I had to learn this the hard way too. When I slowed down and gave my boys attention when things were peaceful, not just when they were wild, our home felt lighter, and they felt seen. So mama, if you feel like your child never listens, start by listening before the chaos. Start by seeing them when they're doing well. Just a few minutes a day can really change everything. Because you're not just raising a child, you're building a lifelong connection. And remember, it's never too late to change. Leave a comment and share the video with a parent who needs to hear about it.